And while being in Israel, did you still speak Yiddish with some friends, neighbors?
I tell you the truth. In Israel, when I was, you see, I forgot. When I came to Israel, I went to a youth organization, and I still studied in Israel 2 years. 2 years I studied all the subjects in Hebrew. And there they did not want us to speak Yiddish, because Yiddish was looked upon, this is a language from the diaspora, from the weak, from those who give in, who don't have the honors to stand for themselves. They had a big propaganda against.
Did you agree?
I had to follow it, but between us, we were speaking Yiddish. Because I know later, when I was in the military, I was afraid of these people from Morocco, the Jews from Morocco. They were making fun of us. You know what they say? These are the Wuzwuzim. Wuzwuzim, it means you say all the time, Wus machst du, wus herzach, wus geht. Then they call it Wuzwuzim, you see. No, specifically now I don't agree, but at that time I was more involved with the Hebrew language, and I studied more extensively the Hebrew poetry in Spain, what is called the golden age of Hebrew poetry in Spain. And I even translated poems from there also, you know. But it was a big campaign against Yiddish at that time, yeah.
And do Hebrew and Yiddish have different meanings for you?
Definitely, it has different. Believe me, now in my older age, what I can now, Yiddish seems to me more close. It's more close. Because first of all, I was grown up in a family of speaking Yiddish. And second, the Yiddish has these expressions which you don't have them in Hebrew and not in any other language. For example, you say a ying mensch, a yingale, a meidale. It gives you like, it's small, but it's lovely. It's not just reduced in quantity. So Yiddish has a lot of, not grace, but it has, for me, it's more attached to my body inside than Hebrew now. Although, from the point of view of knowledge, I have more knowledge in Hebrew, because Yiddish, I did not study Yiddish. I never studied in school Yiddish, really.